Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this grade 9 mathematics, we are going to discuss on simple equations. What is an equation? We're saying that an equation is an expression that is connected by an equal sign. During the final exam, we are going to meet a question from this topic. Let's take a look at the questions. Solve the following equations. So the first equation, they're saying 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. We want to know what is on x. What are we going to do? First, we are going to collect the like terms. So we are going to say 3x, 3 with a known variable, is equal to 4. When this negative 5 crosses the equal sign, it's going to become a positive sign. Why? We are saying that when a number crosses the equal sign, it changes its symbol. If it was a positive, it becomes a negative. If it was a negative, it becomes a positive. So 5 is a negative. When it crosses the equal sign, it's going to be a positive. Very good. We're going to say 3x is equal to 4 plus 5. When we reach here, what do? We simply add. So we'll bring down the 3x as it is equal to 4 plus 5. What is the sum? We're saying that 4 plus 5 is going to give us 9. We ask ourselves, are we done? Very good, we are not yet done. Why? Because we want to remain with x alone on this side. We want to know the value of x. So what are we going to do? We're going to share both sides with 3. So 3 into 3, it's 1. 3 into 9, we're saying it is 3. So our x, the value of x is equal to 3. We have solved our equation. The value of x is equal to 3. As simple as that. Let's take a look at the next example. So we're saying 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 9. What are you supposed to do? Very good. First, we need to collect the what? The like terms. So we're saying 2x is on its own is equal to negative 9. Negative 9, they are like terms with positive 3 because they are both numbers. So what are we going to do? 3 is going to cross the equal sign. And we are saying that when a number crosses the equal sign, what happens? The number changes its what? Its sign. So if this positive crosses the equal sign, it is going to become a what? A negative. Very good. We're going to have negative 3. What do we do there? We bring down the 2x as it is. 2x is equal to negative 9 minus 3. So when we look at the two numbers, they are having the same signs. And what do? We simply add them and maintain their sign. Very good. 9 and 3, they are having the same sign. So we add them and maintain their sign. It's going to give us negative 12. Very good. When we reach here, we ask ourselves, are we done? No, we are not yet done. Why? We don't know the value of x yet. What are we going to do? We are going to share both sides with 2 so that we can remain with x alone. Very good. 2 and 2, they cancel themselves. What do we remain with? We remain with x, isn't it? X is equal to 2 into 12. Goes in how many times? 2 into negative 12. We are saying it is going to give us negative 6. So the value of x there, it is negative what? Negative 6. We have solved our equation. As simple as that. Let's take a look at the third example. 3 open brackets x minus 4 close is equal to 6. So when we come across such a challenge, what are we supposed to do? First, we need to get rid of the what? The brackets. BODMAS. How are we going to get rid of these brackets? We are going to multiply what is inside the brackets by 3. Let's do this. 3 multiplied by x. We're going to have 3x. 3 multiplied by negative 4, we are going to have negative 12. Positive multiplied by a negative, the answer is a negative. Very good. Equals, we bring down the 6 as it is. We've got the need of the what? The brackets. What follows? We are going to connect the what? The like term. So we're going to say 3x is equal to 6. When 12 crosses this equal sign, first we ask ourselves, is 12 a negative or a positive? 12 is a negative number. When it crosses the equal sign, very good, it becomes a positive. What do? We bring down the 3x is equal to 6 plus 12. What's the answer? Very good. We're going to get 18. Have we finished? No yet. We want to remain with x. So what are we going to do? We share both sides by 3. 3 into 3, they cancel themselves. What do we remain with? X is equal to 3 into 18. How many times do 3 go into 18? We're saying that 3 goes into 18 how many times? 6 times. That's our final and correct answer. That was the value of x. We go to the last one. We're saying 3 plus 2, open brackets, x minus 1 is equal to 1. How are we going to solve this equation? We're going to get rid of the what? The brackets in line with BODMAS. How are we going to get rid of them? We are going to multiply the numbers in the brackets and the number and the variable in the bracket by 2, positive 2. So we're going to bring down 3 as it is. Positive 2 multiplied by x. We are going to have positive 2x. Positive 2 multiplied by negative 1. We are going to have negative 2. Remember, positive multiplied by negative, it is negative. Very good. Is equal to 1. When we reach here, what do? We connect the like terms. Very good. So we'll say 2x is equal to 1. When this negative 2 crosses the equal sign, is going to be a positive. Very good. Positive 2. When this 3, a positive number, crosses the equal sign, it becomes a negative. Very good. Minus 3. We bring down the 2x as it is. 2x is equal to 1 plus 2. We're saying it is 3 minus 3. Bring down the 2x as it is. 2x is equal to 3 minus 3. We're going to have a 0. This is a positive and this is a negative. When numbers are having different signs, what do? We subtract. So when we subtract 3 from 3, we're going to remain with a 0. Are we done? No. We want to remain with x add-on. So what do? We share both sides by 2. 2 and 2, they cancel themselves. We remain with x equal 2 into 0. How many times can 2 go into 0? Very good, you're saying it's 0. So the value of x is 0. That's it for me. As simple as that. During your final exam, expect such a question. God bless.